the community and society were looking for someone to kidnap and make a scapegoat. And it became so difficult for them because the circumstance and the situation was so complicated for things to actually come to fruition. So he had to start running. In the process of running, he went into a very, very dangerous collision that damaged a lot of systems and hairs in his bones. So it grew so long that it could not cut off, and the weed and the wheat were so together that they were cooked up, and before you know it was fried up and it stopped. End of the page.